Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. It is Friday, so you already know we are trading options. We're reviewing our plays from last week, and we are going to make some more premium. So where's the account? Well, we're up 0.51% today, sitting at $74,681. For the week, we are up $1,464 or 2%. For the month, we were up $6,807 or 10%. 3 months, $4,261. And year to date, we were up 24% or 14,793. So what happened? Well, this week, Tesla had a little bit of a pullback and then bounced around a little bit. Mara ended up coming up, as you can see in that negative call. We got some puts in for Rivian and Coin and TNA, some going into next week, some going into this week. And then we have the Tesla call that is currently out of the money as of right now. But we still have a week left on this. If we are in the money next week, we would just roll it up. So one thing that's nice about this Mara call, as you know, we went aggressive on our call strikes. And the reason why we did that is we are trying to wheel the shares. So we have 515 shares. We are currently up $720 on that position as of right now. My cost basis is $988. I sold the 1050. So there's roughly $310 worth of appreciation that I'm going to see and when the shares get called away today. And then we can come back in and we can roll it. If we look here, let's say we wanted to get back in at our cost basis around that $10 mark. Yeah, we could do the exact same thing. We could sell for $70. We can get right back in. So, or try to get back in. So my plan is for Mara, and the reason why I sold the closer call is I want to have the shares called away. And one thing to remember when I sold this call is I got paid $170 of premium to do it. So not only am I going to book the difference between the $988 and the $10.5, but I'm also going to book the $170 in premium plus all the premium we've been collecting. So Mara is going to get wheeled out. Happy to see that one get wheeled out. Amazon, let's go ahead and roll this. We sold this one last week for a $46 credit. We were up 97.83%, so it's down to a penny. So it is time to roll the position. We're at the 149 strike as of right now. We want to get this out to next week. And you know me, I like to go a little bit safer. Let's go to 152. That's a 0.14 delta. 152.5 gives us some room. And $39 worth of credit too. Oh, it's saying low likelihood to fill. Let's see if we can get it to fill for 39. We can always come in and we can change it to 38 if we need to. But that one's down to a penny, so let's go ahead and get that order in. This one we're going to let go. Rivian, we're going to have some cash available, so we could make some other plays, but I'm probably going to play Rivian again. We traded the 16. It's at 16.42 as of right now. We received $12 per contract on the credit basis, so $24 in total. Again, we're at 91.67%, so we are down to that penny mark. So we're going to look at rolling this position. Let's look at maybe something like the 15.5. It looks like Amazon just executed, so we like to see that. And we'll probably go a little bit safer maybe on this one. If we did, let's see, we have the 16.5 now. This one's probably a higher chance. Actually, you know what, with the Rivian, I think Rivian's up for the day. Yeah, they're up 4.33%. Not a great day to sell puts. So what we are going to do, the plan for that is we are going to let Mara get called away. That's going to raise us over $4,000 of cash. We're going to get Rivian. Let Rivian get expire. We're just gonna let it expire worthless, and so we will get the cash back on both of those. That's another $3,000 plus. So we'll have $7,000 to $8,000 in the account on Monday. And what I'll do is if I see some red on stocks that I want to own, I'll sell some more puts then. The plays that are cooking right now, Coin, I sold this week. This is down to 8 cents, so we are already at 82%. Probably close that earlier in the week. Once we hit that 90% mark, just because it's not worth leaving the premium on the table. Coin's all the way up to 115. We sold this one pretty safe, and we sold it for a $45 credit, so that one's probably going to expire worthless. TNA, we got that position in this week as well. This is up 65% or $33. Average credit 17 per. And yeah, TNA, we sold this for a 25, and it's currently at 28. So this one's looking good as of right now. And then Tesla, you know where we're at on that one. These are the positions we have. We still have a couple Apple shares. We have our Amazon shares. Tesla is slowly getting closer to our cost basis. I bought some more shares this week. And we are, let's see, how much did I buy? I think I bought like $1,100 worth. Let me come back here and look at it. Yeah, $1,159 worth, and we bought that at the price of $231.95. So we lowered the cost basis, and that's what we're just going to continue to do. We sell options, we get premium, and we buy more shares. Cost basis down to $261.61. Would love to see Tesla back towards that price so we can get back to wheeling it. But yeah, we're at 261 there. JEPQ's up, Mara's up, TQQ's up. These are the odd lot shares. If you see these small shares, they were just odd lots on top of the positions previous. So everything's looking really good. Tesla's continuing to climb back. And we have a lot of options going into next week. Again, we're letting the top two expire for Mara and Rivian. And yeah, that's really it. Not a whole lot going on this week. It was a short week with Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to anybody that celebrates it. And I decided, instead of selling into today because it was a short market, that I was going to let most of my plays go into 12/1, which is next Friday. Also because the premium is less when you have a half-day trading day, and yesterday the market was closed. So that's why we see TNA and coin into next week. And then we rolled Tesla, as you know, a while ago into 2 weeks out, just so that we could get our strikes up. When we rolled this position, we moved it from, let's see if I can show you here. We rolled it from a 227.5 to a 240, so we rolled that $1,350 in share appreciation, and we're just going to continue to roll it. If we were to look at this roll as of right now, like if we were to go out another week, let's see how much further we could get up the strike. So yeah, if we were going for break-even credits, we could get it all the way up to 245, and that's what we want to do. We want to slowly climb this call up until we get to the cost basis, and then we make a decision. So that's where we're at on Tesla. I'm going to keep continuing to buy shares with premium made anytime we have extra, and build myself up to that 200 share position. I'm at 130 as of right now. If we were to go in here and we were to buy 70 shares, we're looking at $16,500. So it'll take a while to get there, but we're just going to keep adding to the account and keep building the bricks each and every single time. Not too mad about the account. I trade this one a little more conservatively than some of my other brokerage accounts because it is a Roth IRA, and I'm okay with 25% a year. That would be awesome if I could continue to do that. Even if I can get that, between 12 and 20% a year, which is very possible with this strategy. Be happy with that. So that's where we're at on this account, and we will update you next week when I make some more plays. Definitely going to look out for the Twitter DarkMiner71 if you want to see the plays that I make going into next week. I'll be selling some puts when I see some red. And that's everything I got. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to drop a like, and happy investing. We'll see you later.